Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a pink Amazon unboxing. Let's get right into it, y'all. Okay, we got us a few boxes. We're gonna be real quick. Okay, first let's start with the pink Promise Bible. This Bible has been pretty viral. I'm gonna get into it. And then we got us the pink weekly planner. As you can see here, it has a few things that I needed to work on. And oh yeah, this is quick. I got me this pink Bluetooth keyboard for my iPad. Yeah, I was so excited to get this. Like, so excited. Like, what? Look at my face. And then I got me some Bible tabs for my Bible. And it came with a bookmark, super cute. Okay, shiny. I love that. Moving right along. What is this? Oh yeah, I got a calendar for the month. I got a monthly calendar that I've been needing to, like, write out my appointments and all the good stuff. So yeah, trying to get a little bit more organized with my life. A little bit more intentional about, my Bible study, and have a little bit more structure about things. I am working on something for you guys. Another video, and it's just gonna take a little bit to get together because I can't order everything all at once. I have to order things in bits and pieces. So yeah, let me go ahead and charge this up. But yeah. Okay guys, so I have finished putting all of my tabs on my new Bible. See, they have all the tabs on. So nice. I really love this Bible. With Esther. Whenever you're doing your Bible study, it has a note section on the sides for your sticky notes, all that good stuff. Job. It also has, like, at the beginning of each chapter, kind of like a breakdown of a few verses. And it gives you like some questions too, so that you can do your writing passages. So I got this Bible so it can help me out with, my Bible study that I do on, my own personal time. This probably won't be a Bible that I bring with me to like small group or like a women's Bible study group. This is like something I wanted for myself at home. And yeah, I absolutely love it. I adore it. I like to color a lot too, so I'm glad that it gave you, not only the Bible, but it gives you the opportunity to get a little creative with your Bible study too. And it feels so nice. Like, the leather on it is really nice. It's not like suede or anything like that, but it's really smooth. So this is called my Promise Bible. Like I said, I got it off Amazon. comes with so many more like stickers and stuff like that for you to add like on the back. Wherever you do like passages and prayers for people in the back. Oh, sorry. Can't see it. Like, yeah, so they have more stickers that you can add on to like places like this. There's like a passage in here. It's like prayers for people. Like, I don't know, I'm gonna use that in the back. Ooh, so boom. I got this so that I could listen while I study the Bible. That's really the only reason why I got this, and so that I could type in my notes if I needed to. Yeah, I don't really use this iPad for much because it's an older generation. It was hard enough finding a keyboard that would go with this older model. But yeah. But yeah, some of the keys are a little stiff.
I don't even care anymore. You don't act like you don't see things. I'm act like I don't see you.
Job. So yeah, whenever I want to do my Bible study, I'm just gonna, you know, incorporate